First look at Google Camera Go edition from the Android Go builds. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have our first look at Google Camera Go edition, which Google recently announced for Android Go devices, and I have this running on my Pixel 3. Of course, it works absolutely fine on my Redmi K20 Pro and the Poco F1 as well. Million dollar question, where do you find the APK? It is linked in the description of the video. You do not need any root access or anything like that to install it. Just install like you would install any other APK, give it the permissions, and it should work. If it doesn't work on your specific device, then nothing I can do about it. When you open the application for the first time, this is how it is going to look. And as you can see, we have four basic modes. So you have portrait, photo, video, and translate. Click on the settings icon on the top left. These are the only options you have. So you can turn your flash on, off, or auto. Then you have an option for the timer, and if you want face and hands, you have the option of turning it off or on. That's it. Those are the only options which you get. The counter which you see in the middle of the screen is the number of photographs you can take. Once your space is about to fill up, Google is going to tell you, and again you have a repetition of the flash option on the top right. As for taking pictures, all you need to do is point and focus, and of course once you do that, you can adjust your brightness using the slider on the right, and if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you have a slider for that as well. As you can see, on the Pixel devices it can go to a maximum of 7x, and on my Redmi K20 Pro and the Poco F1 it goes to a maximum of 8x in all four modes, from the front camera and from the rear camera. Moving over to the portrait mode. So yes, you do need to point your camera at a face to take portrait shots, and if you click on the settings icon on the top left, you have the same options which you have in the normal camera mode, and again the option to turn your flash on or off. And once you switch over to the selfie camera, it does take some time to switch over to the selfie camera, and if you click on the settings icon, you do have the option of turning on or off face and hands, and the flash option is replaced by the face retouching option on the top right. Another thing you will notice is that in portrait mode, the camera shutter has the icon of a face. Moving over to video mode, nothing major here. All you can do is record a video with either flash on or off. That's it. You do not have the option of choosing the FPS or anything like that. And once you tap on the duration icon in the middle of the screen, it is going to tell you how many minutes of video you can record. As for the translate option, this option I could not get it to work on this build, but I think it's going to provide you live translation services. So a very basic, a very simple camera. Now coming over to the functionality and the quality of pictures. Here are a few comparison shots with the Pixel 3. As you can see, the picture quality is pretty close to what it is on the Pixel 3. The only difference I could see is that the sky is a bit more prominent in the picture taken by the Pixel 3. Then in video mode, there is no EIS. Here's a sample video which I recorded. As you can see, it is shaky, which means neither EIS nor OIS is working. Then your selfies are mirrored and you do not have the option of turning it on or off. Another thing is that it only supports one camera. Those of you who have devices with multiple rear cameras, you will have to use the primary sensor. One more thing, there is no live preview of pictures in portrait mode, something which you see on the normal camera application. That is not present in Google Camera Go. And a good news is that I don't think so it creates folders when you take portrait shots. So here's a portrait shot I took. It doesn't have two pictures, there's only one photograph. I can of course edit it using Google Photos, so I can adjust the light, the color, and the blur. All those features work absolutely fine, but you do not have two photographs when you take a portrait shot. And last, my favorite feature of this is that when you open back the application, it opens in the previous mode. So here it is, we'll open Camera Go. You can see it opened in video mode. And here is the normal camera application which comes baked in with the Pixel 3. Let's switch over to portrait mode, close or go to the home screen, and now when I open the camera application again, it will open in camera mode. That is not the case with Camera Go. Here it is, you can see that it opened back in video mode, and in fact if you are using the front camera, it will open back with the front camera activated. So this is one feature which I think Google should implement in normal Gcam as well. So there it is, peeps. That was our quick first look at Google Camera Go edition, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.